In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect ClickUp to Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, by connecting your ClickUp account, you'll be able to manage and also perform tasks on your ClickUp account straight from Claude. To do this, first go ahead and log into your Claude account, and as you can see, I'm logged in here. Then go ahead and expand the sidebar here, and from the sidebar, look for Customize. Now under Customize, you have these two options: connect your apps and create new links. Go ahead and tap on connect your apps, and this will give us access to all the apps that you can connect to our Claude account. As you can see, I have quite a number of them that are already linked. For instance, I have Gmail, Canva, as well as Slack. I'll wish to go ahead and also connect ClickUp. To do that, scroll down until you find ClickUp on the list, and as you can see, ClickUp is here. By connecting ClickUp, you'll be able to project management and collaboration for teams and agents straight from Claude. So I'll tap on connect here, and the two will get connected by just doing so. So here I'm told to complete my sign in or relaunch. So my sign in is here. As you can see, the two are getting connected. Look at that. I'll go ahead and choose my workspace. So I'll choose this workspace and then finalize by tapping on connect workspace. So for your case, if you already have just one workspace, it should appear as one. However, if you have several, you can choose from there. And as you can see, now the connection has been done. I'm redirected back to Claude. So if we go back here to homepage on Claude and expand the sidebar, then go to customize. Now I'll go again to connect apps, and let's go ahead and look for ClickUp. And here we go. Our ClickUp is here. It is already linked. When you see this, it means now you can start performing tasks on your ClickUp account straight from Claude. So if you go ahead and give Anthropic Cloud conditions or request for specific tasks to be performed, it will go ahead and automate your work process. So that's how you can connect ClickUp to Claude. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.